You can count on me to misbehave. Prima donna girl, would you do anything for me? Buy a big diamond ring.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's discussion is going to be about foundations. I always kind of do I think little updates on certain makeup products that I like and what I don't like, and so that's what I'm doing again today. So I think one of my most recent videos I did about makeup was Bye Bye Lines by It, and it's their foundation, and I absolutely loved it. I love the coverage, I love how it made me look. What I have now figured out what I don't like is that you see how much is left in there. Now it's probably going to work because I'm about to show you, but maybe I should put my hand just in case. But of course it now worked. But the foundation just isn't pumping out. So what was going on is that what you can tell is that I would have to open it and pound it out like that. So, and then you can even see, I don't know if you can see. So see what it looks like is that I guess as you use it, this little piece moves up. And so where I love the foundation, I don't like the bottle. And I feel like I'm really gonna have to work extra hard to get the rest of that foundation out. And I hate that I'm about to waste this right here. I'm just gonna put it on my legs. So now my legs are gonna look gorgeous. But that's the one thing that I just don't like about this Bye Bye Fine Lines by It. I wish that the bottle was different. And it's kind of expensive. So now you feel like you're maybe not able to get all of the product, and you have to work really hard, or there have been times that I've just had to go pump, 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 and then you're trying to do it like a soap. Anyway, so it's definitely an amazing product, but I'm disappointed in the container. So So I went to Sephora to buy another foundation just to try something else. And it's really difficult for me to find foundation because I don't want anything with SPF. Also, I was trying to avoid one of these containers. But I don't like to have SPF, as I say several times, that whenever you take a picture at night and there's flash, then it makes your face a lot whiter. So I prefer to put SPF lotion on before, or in my primer or some other way. So I bought this. It's by Sephora. All right, and when I tried it on in the store, I loved it. I thought it looked great, and so I went ahead and bought it. And it is considered full coverage, long lasting. Anyway, I'm going to probably return this because what I noticed is that it settled into every single fine line I had, everything, lines I didn't even know I had. This showed it. I don't know if maybe, and I even used a primer. I don't know, maybe if you were 20, maybe if you were 20 and you had or you're a teenager and you have perfect skin, but maybe you had acne and so you're wanting full coverage, then maybe this would be a great foundation. But I think if at any stage of your life when you start getting pores or just little skin lines, I feel like this is just gonna show drastically. I was disappointed because I liked it. Right when I put it on, it looked beautiful, but then just as the day went on, I would go into the bathroom and I would be like, oh God, that looks horrible. And then I get in the car and the sun would hit me and I could see in my visor the mirror. I just didn't like it at all whatsoever. So this is a no. This is a no. All right. So what I did, I needed a new foundation, and I have been using this for a long time. And I tried a couple other ones, and so I went back to this one again, and it is Loreal. It's their Loreal Infallible Glow, and it is a 24-hour foundation. It has no SPF in it, and then let me see. Actually, it said, something? It says it has SPF 15. Well, how about that? Well, then I like this one because I have taken pictures of me at night and I don't notice my face looking like a ghost. Well, how about that? Learn something new every day. So it does have SPF. And I wonder if that's kind of new, because I know the first time I bought it, it didn't. Anyway, so it is their Infallible Glow. I went ahead and got like a darker color because, you know, I'm already getting a tan, even though I'm doing everything to avoid it. I mean, I still go out in the sun, go to the pool or something like that, but I always wear sunblock, but just my natural tone is just dark. And so I went ahead and got like a darker foundation to blend in with the rest of my body. I really like this one. It is L'Oreal. It is drugstore. It's $7, $8, $9. I don't know, something like that, maybe 10. But I really feel that like if you're wanting like an inexpensive foundation that will make your skin look pretty, doesn't sink into fine lines, or it doesn't even wear off. Like I've even worn some foundations that either it wears off or it separates, if you know what I mean. Like foundation is here and then there's nothing here. It's just really strange. This doesn't do it at all. It is an amazingly good foundation. And I'm sure I'll try something new because I do that all the time. But I've noticed that this is really being a staple of mine. So for any of you that are just, you know, especially if you're on a tight budget, I know I have a lot of young followers, that's a really good foundation. And I think it's supposed to be for more mature skin. But I just don't see, if it looks good on mature skin, then I think on younger skin, it's just going to be absolutely gorgeous. And they have a Pro Matte and a Pro Glow. I've used both. Right now I'm using the Pro Glow, and I kind of think it's nice because it's summer, so I kind of have a little bit of a glowy look about it. Anyway, that's really it. It's just a little short video, but a little review on some of the foundations I've just used within the past month, and I thought you would enjoy it. Let's see, I guess that is it. That's all I have to say. And thank you for watching. And if you like what I produce, I do not consistently post. It's just when like I feel like it. So you can subscribe and just be surprised when I post something. And so subscribe if you liked it, please comment below. You know, what I try to read the comments right after, but sometimes like if it's months later, I'm not the best. But you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. All of that is Sheri LaBrant. And you all have a wonderful rest of the week. Goodbye.